welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just relaxing a little bit. I just made dinner and I made some peas with some okras and some good old red onion. A lot of you guys might be like, what is that? But in case you don't know, I don't eat meat. I have not been eating meat for the past 3 years. So I tend to eat a lot of beans, a lot of seitan, a lot of tofu and stuff like that. And I am now getting into learning to cook, vegan slash vegetarian style. It has been a huge, transition for me, but right now I'm loving it. So what I want to talk about with you today is anti-aging facial mask. I like to use anything that have vitamin A in it on my skin, but I like to hydrate my skin. I like when I use a facial mask, it hydrates my skin and it have my skin feeling soft and supple, but at the same time I like a mask that is going to tighten and firm the skin. So what I'm going to do for you today, I'm going to share one such mask with you. I am going to use the avocado, of course, and I'm going to show you how you can use it to make a facial mask that is going to hydrate the skin, that is going to lift and firm the skin, boost the collagen production in the skin while softening your skin and giving you that instant glow to your skin. So if you're interested in a wonderful anti-aging facial mask, guess what? Follow me to the kitchen and I'll show you how to whip this up in no time. I will also show you how to use it on your skin for a best result. So
take a look at the main ingredient. Here I have avocado. Now avocado contains beta carotene, protein, fatty acid, and vitamin A, D, and E. It also helps to moisturize the skin and protect your skin from UV ray, and also help to increase collagen production. Now, avocado also contains potassium, which is a form of electrolytes, and that also assists in boosting the collagen in the skin. So what I'm going to be doing with the avocado, I'm using about 2 ounces, and I'm simply going to peel the avocado like I'm showing here, and I'm going to chop it for easier blending. Very hard to resist not, taking a piece of this avocado, but I have the other half to eat. So anyway, I still feel like I have to taste it. I have to taste it. Very, very good. So it's good to eat and it's good to use on your skin. All right, so this is so good. Take another piece. Now, there's something most people don't know is that avocado contains more potassium than banana. It also contains fiber, which is good for cleaning the guts out. It also contains a bit of a vitamin K, so it's also great to use under your dark circles. So once I chop the avocado, I'm just going to put it in the blender. What is left, that is. And I'm going to blend. Do not add any water to this, just blend as is. And here is our blended avocado. Now let's scoop this out in a bowl. Don't forget to take those from the top of the blender. And now we're gonna make sure there's no lumps in this. You can choose to put this through a strainer. Now here we have our avocado paste. And what we're going to do next, we are going to use this to make our facial mask. Nice and creamy. Now we're going to move on to our next ingredient. Now our next ingredient is avocado oil. Very optional. You can choose to use any other oil. I just feel like putting a little tip of avocado oil in this. And I'm using about half a teaspoon of the avocado oil. Optional. Go ahead and use some olive oil in this if you choose, or use some sweet almond oil. Okay, that's if you don't have the avocado oil. All right, it's just a little top up for the fresh avocado. Now once we have our avocado oil in, our next ingredient is going to be some heavy cream. Now if you do not have heavy cream, guys, go ahead, use some buttermilk, or go ahead and use some yogurt or some fresh milk. So I'm going to be using 2 teaspoons, 10 ml of the heavy cream. Pour that in. And now we're going to mix this together. Make it creamy. So we're blending avocado, heavy cream, and a little bit of avocado oil, or whatever oil you are using in yours. Now once this is done, we are going to introduce another ingredient. And here I have some aloe vera gel, and I'm going to use about 8 tablespoons of the aloe vera gel, and we're going to blend this in. Fresh aloe vera gel is also good for this recipe. As a matter of fact, if you have the fresh aloe vera gel, it's better than even using the store-bought aloe vera gel. So give this a good mix, and as you can see how creamy and amazing this is looking. And now this is ready to use. Now for the heavy cream, guys, that I use in this, it contains vitamins and minerals, lactic acid, vitamin A, vitamin D, that is great for your skin. It helps to boost the collagen production in the skin. And that is what this facial mask is. It's a powerhouse of collagen boosting ingredient. So it's going to help to clear the skin of wrinkles and fine lines, hydrates the skin, soften the skin, and have your skin looking amazing in no time. So what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to put this in the refrigerator to chill a little bit, and then I'm going to come back and show you how to use this on your skin for best result. So we're just going to cover it and put it away to chill. So what I'm gonna do, make sure to start with clean skin. Wash your face, exfoliate your skin if you have not yet exfoliated for a while, and then you are gonna dig in. Now this I'm gonna use at least 2 times, so I'm not gonna put my hands in it. Pour a little on the hands. Oh, it's so cold. So cold. And that's exactly how you want it to be. And then you're just gonna apply it to your skin. Ooh. And the smell is amazing, guys. So just apply this. Be generous with it, okay? Be generous with this. Apply it all over your skin. This is good to go under the eyes, and give it a little rub like I'm showing here. Go down on the neck and décolleté with this. Ooh, nice. Rub it on. Oh, this is so refreshing, guys. This is safe for your under eyes. Now, once this is done, I like to sit with this on my skin for at least 30 minutes, and you are gonna feel so good wearing this mask. Is like a no joke right now. What is happening, it feel like I actually apply ice on my skin, and that is the trick. That is why you put it in the refrigerator to chill, because ice also help to plump the skin up, so that coldness from the avocado is just doing a number on my skin. So the best way to use this mask is 2 to 3 times per week, and you are on your way to tight, firm, radiant, and did I mention glowing skin? All right, so guys, I'm really gonna enjoy mine, so I'm gonna sit with mine for 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna rinse off. After you rinse off, just pat dry the skin and apply your facial toner. Wait for a couple minutes and then apply your facial serum and your facial moisturizer. Just an amazing anti-aging facial
Now
mask.
take a look at this. I have been wearing this mask now for 30 minutes, and as you can see, it's basically dry on my skin. Not completely dry, but dry enough to feel the tightening sensation on my skin, like really tight. And not on, ooh, look at that. Ooh, very tight, really grabbing the skin. So it's really a collagen boosting facial mask, as you can see. So that's what it looks like, guys, once it's dried on the skin. So I'm gonna rinse this off. So now tell me guys, what is one other ingredient that you think could go very well with this mask? Feel free to comment, and if this is the first time watching, don't leave without subscribing, okay? And also do a comment and share the video, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.